Hello viewers, here is an old General Electric 12-inch oscillating VN. This is an older model. This would be about 100 years old now, probably made sometime in the 1920s. And this is another project that I started many years ago and never finished. I'm going to finish it today. The problem with this one is within the switch. The switch was broken, and these are some remains of it, but this would usually have a plastic cover that goes over this piece. And without that plastic cover there, this is very dangerous to use because with the way these switches are designed, this bar here that you're using to manipulate the positioning is contacting the mains, which is being fed to these three different selections on the right side. And so this switch, this handle here, is actually live. To prove my point here, I'll put this onto the copper selections speed selector thing, and I'll put this other end over here. And you're going to hear that we have continuity. So it's really not safe to use this at all in that kind of condition. So what we're going to do here is we're going to apply a coating over this to make it safe again. I'm going to use the infamous low temperature hot glue to attempt to do so. Now this has to be pretty thin layered because it has to be able to fit through the switch, this slot in the base. But it has to be thick enough and thorough enough to not have any gaps left, or you could contact the metal. That would be an extremely unpleasant experience. Oh, that was barely in the screen, for heaven's sakes. Alright, I think that is a complete coating. Not quite on this side. I added a couple more layers of glue, and that's going to be our final product. So let's go ahead and reassemble. I guess I put too much glue at the bottom. Well, no problem. That's one of the nice things about hot glue, is if you make a mistake, you can undo it pretty easily. I'll just shave off a little bit of the bottom here. Here we go with this daggone wire again. Okay. Fairly confident with the way that is. this fan, it needs some more help still. It needs a new cloth base, and it could use probably could fair to be repainted because the paint's coming off this one pretty good, but I think this will be as far as I go with it for a while. At least this will get it back to a usable state, and then I can continue to enjoy it in the bedroom once again. It's not going to happen, that's impossible. Okay. You know, I suspect that if I was to cut the glue a little bit better and then paint it black, it actually wouldn't look that bad. It looks awful now, but if I was to do a little more with this, I think that may actually be a viable solution. Alright, let's test it out now. And if you see the video, I guess it's safe to say that I didn't get fatally electrocuted. And so by and large it was successful. Well, I don't feel any shocking on there yet, so I think if anything was to go wrong, it would have gone wrong. Yeah, that's working. I'm not feeling any shocking on here. Of course, I am standing on the carpet, but I'm pretty confident that it's working. Alright, well, I would say that was a success, and with a little bit more modification, it'll look pretty decent.